What if I told you the tiniest fan on your desk could circulate the air in an entire room in under 3 minutes? Sounds impossible, right? But Xiaomi just dropped something in Europe that might be the smartest fan you've ever seen. This isn't just another desk fan. It's small, quiet, and surprisingly powerful. But the real twist? It runs on a power bank. That means you could take it almost anywhere. And by the end of this video, you'll see why Xiaomi's new smart desktop air circulation fan is turning heads across Europe. Let's start with what makes this fan different. Xiaomi designed it as a compact, portable fan, perfect for desks, nightstands, or small spaces. It weighs just 2 kilograms, stands about 13 inches tall, and comes with a tilting stand for flexible angles. Now, don't let the size fool you. This fan uses what Xiaomi calls auto 3D air distribution. Basically, it oscillates 120 degrees horizontally and 100 degrees vertically. So instead of just blowing air in one direction, it circulates air around an entire room. The numbers are pretty wild: a 10-meter circulation range and an airflow of 1,180 cubic meters per hour. In plain English, it can refresh the air in your room in about 3 minutes. And here's where it gets even more interesting. It has 100 speed settings. That's right, not 3, not 5, but 100. On its quietest setting, it only makes 28.4 decibels of noise, which is softer than a whisper, perfect for sleeping. Of course, it wouldn't be a smart fan without connectivity. It supports 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, so you can control it remotely through the Xiaomi Home app, or just tell Alexa or Google Assistant to turn it on. And if you hate dealing with cords, this fan runs on USB-C, and while it comes with an 18-watt adapter, you can plug in a 10,000 milliamp hour power bank and get up to 26 hours of runtime. That means it's just as useful outdoors as it is in your office. So here's the payoff. Xiaomi's smart desktop air circulation fan isn't just about keeping cool. It's about smart, flexible air circulation for modern living. Whether you need a whisper-quiet fan for sleep or portable airflow powered by a power bank, this little device can do it all. It's now available in the UK, France, and Germany for 99.99 euros, with Spain getting it slightly cheaper at 89.99 euros. Would you pay nearly 100 euros for a desk fan if it could replace a bigger, noisier one? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more smart home tech reviews.